Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Python 3.12.0 in macOS 13 Ventura. Now I am going to download Python latest version. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type in Google search bar. Download Python for Mac. Press enter. Click on first official website link, www.python.org. Let's drop down little bit. Here it is Python 3.12.0 under pre-release section. Click download macOS 64-bit Universal 2 installer. Click allow. Now the downloading is started. It is 42.7 MB software package. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click download. Here it is our Python package. Right-click on it. Open with installer. Let's close Downloads console. Welcome to the Python installer. Click on Continue. Click Continue again. Software license agreement. Click on Continue. Click Agree. Click Install. Type ROHIT user password. Click Install software. Update shell profile command. Right-click on it. Open with terminal. Shell command updating process is completed. Let's close on it. Install certificate command. Process is completed. Let's close on it. The installation was completed successfully. Click close. Do you want to move the Python installer to the bin? I want keep this installer. After Python installation is completed, now I am going to check Python version on terminal. Click on terminal. Type Python 3 space hyphen version. Then press enter. As you can see Python version 3.12.0. Let's close terminal. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install Python 3.12.0 on macOS 13 Ventura. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.